Computer sir, I heard that Python now has match case too.
Very true, Meena. It's quite powerful. Watch this. Since long, people have been asking for this kind of structure in Python also, which is switch case kind of structure in C and Java. But here it is called match case, and it is much more powerful. So I'll write much more powerful from Java, C, C++, right? But a simple example we'll first take, then we'll take more examples. We'll ask AI also about this, okay? So we'll collect the number as an integer, which is weekday, input a weekday number from 1 to 7 and convert it to integer. And this is the structure of this. First, we use the match command, the way we use the switch command, match command, and each of them we compare to a particular case, and then a wildcard case, which in other language is a default case. So here is a wildcard case, so we use this kind of character which represents a wildcard, and for each case we print out whatever we want to print, okay? And obviously this kind of indentation is there for each case, okay? We'll run it first so you will understand it. Suppose I give input as 1, so obviously this will print Mon means Monday, right? Let us try the last input also. So it will print Sun means Sunday. Now we'll give some other input. Say I give 12. So this will be treated as invalid input based on this last command. Okay, so quite simple. If you are from any other programming languages, you can follow this easily. But if you are new to any language, then also it's fairly easy, right? Let me ask my friend Gemini AI how this has been evolving. When was match case introduced in Python? From which version, and how is it powerful from C and Java? The match case statement was introduced in Python 3.10, released in October 2021. So it has been really long. Still many people do not know that Python has match case. It is called structural pattern matching because it supports pattern matching. It supports text matching, it supports float matching, and many kinds of matching. It means list, dictionary, classes also you can match. Guard clauses, that means within match case you can give if conditions, you can capture patterns. So this is really powerful. There is it needs a separate big class if I want to introduce all examples, but slowly some more examples I will give you for match case. Okay, but it is really powerful technique to set the condition. This also comes under flow control, and obviously you can also make the same code with if else, if else, but obviously this is much neater. So you people should use match case now quite often. Okay, any questions, please do ask me in comments, and please give your feedback. Thank you so much. Please do remember to follow me on the YouTube channel Computer Sir Ki Class. So please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.